Hi, my name is Ksenia. I'm based in Moscow, Russia. I'm a huge fan of Spain, its people, culture, nature, and 5 years ago I decided to start learning Spanish. However, my lessons were not that interesting as I expected because I had to make only boring grammar tests in my workbook, and that's it. 1.5 years ago, I tried a trial lesson with Natalia, and since then, I'm learning Spanish with her only. Our lessons are incredibly interesting and different. We have various formats like watching films and cartoons, audio format, reading, writing, and of course, a lot of discussions. With Natalia, I learned not only Spanish but also a lot of things about life. We already touched such topics as environmental problems, emotional intellect, relations between men and women, ecological problems, and many more. Natalia is very agile in her approach and she is very attentive with great sense of humor, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy try your lessons with Natalia.